Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a beautiful song to present for you. It's from SKAAR. I think she is a Norwegian singer. So, yeah, as a Swede, she's my fellow neighbor. Nice. And this song is called I Could Miss You Forever. What a beautiful song. Never heard about SKAAR before, actually, so this is the first time. Just came across her into my YouTube flow there. So, anyway, this is a nice song. It's a piano based song, right? So we'll go with a very straightforward downstrokes, okay? We're gonna work very easy with that, not too hard either. With a capo set on the first fret, that will be match up with the sound and easy chords as well. So let's do that together. Put that capo on and let's go through the chords needed here for the song. So we're gonna start with G first. G goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have the C G, that is basically a C chord but with this G note in the bass. So third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also got the D add 4, add 9. Alright, the long name for a very simple grip. It actually looks exactly as the C, but it's over here at this position. So that gives us 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Next is the A7 sus2. Again, a long name for a very simple grip. You just need to hold your 2nd fret D string, and then you incorporate the open A, the open G, open B, and open E. And then we're gonna play the E minor as the last chord, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright. As I mentioned, it's a piano bass, so just straight downs, mostly 4 downs. We'll come to that later on. But we're going to start with the verse, and yeah, we're going to start with this G chord. You're going to play G, 4 downs. Then the C G, 4 downs. Then you repeat G, C G. Then comes the D add, 4. And the A7, 4. Okay, that's the first verse. And after every verse now we have instrumental parts. This first instrumental part goes G4 and CG4. So. Alright, then you start the next verse right after. So both verses comes after each other. So you're gonna play again in the same way as I played the first verse, so no changes there. And the second instrumental part after the second verse now is played again in the same way, the G4 and CG4. After that second instrumental part comes the chorus, of course, and we're about 1 minute and 5 seconds in. So what you're gonna play now is the D add 4, then E minor 4, CG4 and G4. Repeat all that. So again, the D add. And then you're gonna end with D add 4, E minor 4, and CG8. That is the first chorus. Then you're gonna jump back to what is the third verse now, and that is also played exactly in the same way as the previous verses, so no changes there. Then comes the third instrumental part, and just a little difference there. Instead of playing the G4, CG4, now you're gonna stay on the G and play 8 times instead. So 8 times on that G chord. After that comes this second chorus, and that is played exactly in the same way as the first one, so no changes there. Okay, and after that second chorus we have a bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 49 or 50 seconds in. You're always gonna be the air I wanna breathe. That's where in the lyrics. What a beautiful line there. So anyway, you're gonna play the D add 4, the E minor 4, the CG 4, and G4. Then D add 4, E minor 4, CG 8. Okay, so that is the bridge part. After that comes the outro, and we're reaching the final parts of the song now. You're gonna play 1 down on G, 1 down on the CG, with pauses in between. You're gonna do that for 2 times, and the lyrics there is I could miss you forever, I would miss you for life. So yeah, that's the end of this song, guys. So I really like this song. It's a strong song, and I never heard about SKAAR before. So I hope she will release songs in the future, near future. We have to bring her in here. She's a great artist, great voice, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Garden Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.